Breakfast really does kickstart the metabolism and helps us to burn calories all day long. It also helps provide energy to get things done, like focus at work and school. Newer studies have linked eating breakfast with good health, improving memory and concentration while reducing LDL, the bad cholesterol, and also lowering the risk of diabetes, heart disease, and being overweight. If we don't eat breakfast first thing, generally what happens is we get so hungry later on that our bodies naturally start choosing high-fat, high-sugar foods. And now I'd like to demonstrate a Mindful by Sodexo's overnight oat recipe called Blueberry and Almond Creamy Overnight Oats. We're going to start with 1/3 cup of old-fashioned oats, 1/3 cup of unsweetened almond milk, add a little bit of maple sugar, so this would be added sugar. We're going to add just a little touch, 1/4 teaspoon, a teaspoon of chia seeds, all natural almond, creamy almond butter. Then we have 2 teaspoons of blueberry preserves. We have 3 tablespoons of low-fat or non-fat plain yogurt. We're going to mix all this together, and then we're going to pour it into our jar. And then we're going to seal it and let it sit overnight. Next morning, go ahead and slice up some banana, add a few berries, go ahead, place on top, and then there is your finished overnight oats, creamy blueberry almond overnight oats. If you have any questions, please contact me at nutritionalservices@albany.edu. See you next Wednesday.